Remember that the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Let's talk about U. Umbrella begins with the short U vowel sound, The letter U can stand for the sound at the beginning or in the middle of a word. Look at the word up. Say it with me, up. The letter U is a vowel and can stand for many sounds, and P is a consonant. When there is only one vowel in a word and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for its short vowel sound. Walrus begins with the W sound. The letter W stands for the W sound at the beginning of walrus. Look at the word web. Say it with me, web. Remember, W is a consonant, E is a vowel, so it can stand for many sounds, and B is also a consonant. When there is only one vowel in a word and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for its short vowel sound. Jellyfish begins with the J sound. The J sound can have different spellings. One spelling for the J sound is just the letter J. Look at the spelling that is circled under the jellyfish. J. Look at the word jug. Say it with me, jug. The letter J is a consonant. The letter U is a vowel and can stand for many sounds. The letter G is also a consonant. When there is only one vowel in a word followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for its short vowel sound. Yak begins with a Y sound. The letter Y stands for the Y sound at the beginning of yak. Look at the word yak. Say it with me, yak. Remember, Y is a consonant, A is a vowel, so it can stand for many sounds, and K is also a consonant. When there is only one vowel followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for its short vowel sound. Volcano begins with the V sound. The letter V stands for the V sound at the beginning of volcano. Look at the word vat. Say it with me, vat. Remember, V is a consonant, A is a vowel, so it can stand for many sounds, and T is also a consonant. When there is only one vowel followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for its short vowel sound. Now let's blend some words. We're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. The first letter is Y, Y. Let's slide over to the next letter in line 2. Remember, when there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually says its short sound. Let's blend the two sounds, Y, Y. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Y, yum. Read it with me, yum. Now we are going to practice writing some letters. One of them is lowercase q, the other one is lowercase u. When you see the letter Q in a word, it is usually followed by the letter U. To write a Q, you start just below the middle line. You curve around back up to the dotted line. Then you're going to go down and curve to the right. It's like a backwards G. We practiced last week, G's. Start on the dotted line and curve around. Then go down to the bottom line and curve to the right. Make sure you have finger spaces between each Q. Down and right. Around, down, and right. You're going to write a whole row of lowercase q's in your journal. Then to make a U, you also start on the dotted line. You curve down to the bottom line and back up, and then down. down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Make sure your U's and your Q's do not go above the dotted line. They are lowercase q's. You start on the dotted line and go down. Start on the dotted line and go down. Okay? Make sure you have finger spaces between each letter. And when you are finished making a whole row of lowercase q's and u's, you're going to take a picture of it and turn it into your teacher. Now you are ready to read wags, wags, wags. Then you're going to read another story about Val and her brother Jim. Val and Jim got a new pup named Wags. Wags got out. Now Val and Jim are sad. Can Mom help? We will use the new words that we have learned to read about what these characters do. Okay, we're going to play a quick game called What Am I Thinking? I will give you clues about one of the words and you will guess the word. Ready? Or not. There we go. Okay, so I'm thinking of a word that has 3 letters. One of the letters is P. The word rhymes with foot. What word am I thinking of? If you said put, you're exactly right. Put has 3 letters. It rhymes with foot. And it has a P. Very good. The next one, I'm thinking of a word that has 5 letters. It ends with the letter T. The word rhymes with shout. If you were thinking about, you are absolutely right. Now I'm thinking of a word that has 4 letters. It ends with a silent E. The word rhymes with bake. If you said make, you are correct. Make and bake rhyme. I'm thinking of a word that has 3 letters again, but it starts with a W. The word rhymes with chew. If you said who, you are correct. Who? I'm thinking of a word that has 5 letters. It ends with S. This word rhymes with bakes. If you said takes, you are exactly right. Takes and bakes. I'm thinking of a word that has 3 letters. It has 2 vowels. The word rhymes with feet. And if you said eat, you are correctamundo. Now I'm thinking of a word that has 3 letters. It has 2 vowels, and it rhymes with doubt. If you said out, you are correct. One more word I'm thinking of. It has 3 letters. It rhymes with now. And it starts with an H. And I hope everybody said how. Very good, friends. That is a way to guess what I'm thinking. Now we are ready to read Yip Yap. When Val, Jim, Mom, and Wags are in a new story. That's all for today, boys and girls. Have a good day.